Good morning, everyone. This is Cindy from My Altered Muse, and today is my day to work on the Jigsaw Journal collaboration. I am so excited. First of all, I want to thank Rachel so much for inviting me to join this collaboration with this wonderful group of artists. I'm humbled and I appreciate it so very much. I've been having so much fun, and I'm going to continue working on my journal after the collaboration is over, and I'm going to watch everyone's videos again and work on this journal. This is probably the first and only journal that I have ever thought about keeping. I always sell my work, but I'm thinking about keeping this one and using it for a reference journal and that type of thing. I've got a large 3-inch spine, so I can add a lot of goodies. On the inside, I had some beautiful green check gingham paper. I have a whole pack of it. I'm not really sure where I got it, but I thought it went so well with this journal. So I am going to be working with some of it also with Rachel and Angela's designs. So let me move that out of the way. It's still early here, so I got my coffee going on. It seems like every spring I do a reorganization. And every time I do it, I think, okay, I got it right this time. And I believe I do. John built me cabinets in my closet, so I can get to everything. Just open the door with a glance, but I can still keep my room pretty. And I'm excited about that. Okay, let's get started. This is what I chose. I've got paper from each of the ladies' kits, and I'll link them in the description box below so that you can go and gather yours. Okay, first of all, I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of do a little light housekeeping here. I'm going to do a few things. This is also a piece of cardstock I've had for a long time, so I thought it went well, and I added this beautiful green background on the back of it. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this precious lady down. I hope everyone's doing okay. It is, I know some of you folks still have snow, but well, come on now. We are well into spring down here. It's in the 70s and 80s. And I have also been working in my garden. That's my other love. I love to garden, and I love to create journals. So those are my two loves. Okay, we're going to put this pretty girl down. Oh, that blob of glue. Got that up. Okay, let me move that over to the side. There we go. Isn't she just beautiful? This kit is the epitome of everything I love. I just love flowers. I love gardening. I love these colors. So, yeah. Okay. Now we are going to add this little pocket right here. Let me go ahead and close this up. I added a piece of just random paper that I had to give it some stability. Let me move that out of the way before I end up getting something on it. Okay. Now, we are going to get anything on my... Looks like I'm going to be a messy day. Okay. Tell you what, I'm going to move this out of the way right now, too. I'm just working with this. And I am going to add this right here. And I'm trying to decide if I want to put a little notch on it. And, you know, I think I do. So I'm using a 1.5 inch in diameter circle cutter. And I'm going to line this up. Let's see here. We got 4 on that side and 4 on that side. And I believe we can punch. Okay. Now, yeah, I like that. That kind of opens her up a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm going to run a fine line of glue down the sides and across the bottom. Okay, and we're going to attach that. There we go. I like that kind of opens up her hands. I hope you've had a chance to go and look at all the beautiful creations that are happening in this collaboration. There's 60 artists. There's 2 a day that are creating for you, and I hope you take advantage of it. It's some beautiful work. Okay, now what I thought I would create for you today is I'm going to do a waterfall. I love them. I add them a lot to my journals. I think I don't know, I just like them. They give a really elegant look, but they're so simple to do. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. And first of all, I want to put a little bit of green I've had this green and I haven't used it, and I thought, oh wow, this journal just lends itself to green laces. Isn't this beautiful? I'm not sure where I got it. It was just been in my stash. I try to keep things listed by color, but you know how that goes. A lot of times it just kind of gets thrown in. So, yeah. Okay, I just wanted to give a little interest up top. Okay, now, what I did with my water, with these, I simply, this is Abby. This is Angela's Shih Tzu. I have a Shih Tzu too, named Jackson. Yeah, Jackson. Hey, he's looking up here like, Mommy, what are you talking about me for? Okay, there seems to be just a hint of an edge on that, so I wanted to trim it off. Okay, what I do is, you can make them any size you want. These are 4 by 4 1/4. Okay, so you do 4 inches and then 1/4. So it's 4 1/4 this way and 4 this way. Okay, and then I fold them over and You want to run your bone folder over them really well and get them down. And then you can print on the back of your cardstock, but what I chose to do is I had some already different colors already cut out, and I chose to glue mine on the back and then trim around because it gives it extra stability. And I wanted these, wait a minute. Oh, I wanted these to really be sturdy. So you could work with them easily. Okay, now let me see here what I want to do. I've got all my things here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, isn't that cute? Okay, I'm gonna take the first one and I'm going to run my glue along the back. And I am going to place it right. That's another thing about working with this check gingham. It really helps you line things up wonderfully. Now I have, in the past, I've made waterfall tags. I will make a tag and take a piece of cardstock and cut it in the shape of a tag and add my waterfall. Now you can, you don't have to make it this large. You can do 3 by 3 1/4, 2 by 2 1/4. You can do whatever you like, and you can make it as long as you like. Just keep adding your pieces of paper that you've cut out. Okay, I'm going to burnish this. And on this one, I chose to put the little birds. Isn't that darling? So cute. Okay, now we're going to put the glue along this one. Okay. And we're going to raise Abby up. And we are going to take, we're going to take the top of this one and place it right up next to the folded over part. You might want to leave just a little tiny area, and then you want to make sure that it's looking like you want it to. I'm going to move it over this way a little bit. There we go. And you see how it's working. Okay, give that just a minute to dry. You know, I have enjoyed this so much. I love to create, and sometimes I forget to do a video. I'm like everybody else, I guess. I like to do it in front of the TV, and I don't have a TV in my studio, and I really don't want one. But I do. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with Dr. Phil. I love him, but the people he has on his show are crazy. But anyway, I like to sit in there and do my fussy cutting and whatever. Okay, now let's see what we want to add next. We've got 3 more. Let's see if we flip this one. Oh no! What have I done? Well, Cindy. Okay. What we're going to have to do, Lord of mercy, I don't know how that happened. Okay, have no fear. We will just flip it over and have that. Be careful to get it the way you want it before you glue it down. Oh, me, I was being so careful and I had it upside down. Okay, no biggie. We'll just have little birdies on the front. That'll be fine. Okay, glad it wasn't Abby. Okay, now we're going to add, oh lordy, we're going to add this one. That's another good thing. You can always, there's really no mistakes in junk journaling. You just compensate. Okay, there. Okay. Oh, me. That's the only one that had the a directional pattern on the back. So, yeah. Okay. Now, let's, we've got these two down. Let's put this one down since it's going to be a flower pattern flipping up, okay? So, oh me, that's how easy it is to correct a mistake. No problem. Okay, now we're going to put the little birdies down, line them up. Okay, I like that. There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so cute. Now let's add, why don't we add this chair? Let's see. Yeah, I like that. So let's add the chair next. I went ahead and did a lot of the prep work. I didn't want, since it was simple prep work, I didn't want to take time doing all that on camera because it does take a little bit of time to get it situated, okay? Okay, looking good. Get this down. Okay, then the last one is going to be the flowers. Okay, and we're going to place that just like so. And you have a little bit of an area down here that you can there we go. Just take your time and line them up. There. How sweet is that? Okay. Now, I've also made them where you take a ribbon and come around and tie it, but I just decided to leave this one like it is. There's a lot of different ways, but I just kind of decided to leave this one like it is. And after it is in your journal a while, it will lay flat, and it's really not very bulky. As you can see, it's not taking up a whole lot of room. And now what you can also do is come back under here and put a pretty picture, or you can put some writing paper, or do a little hidden pocket. There's all kind of things. I didn't think about that, or we could have done that. Okay, now over here, let's work on this. Let's see what I want to do. Where did my Oh, I know one other thing I was going to do on these. Let's go ahead and do that. I cut out some fun little let me get them out. Some little fussy cuts. And I thought we would add these to the inside. Okay. So let's start with this one. I love this little watering can. Isn't that cute? So I think we'll put the watering can there. And I'm not a real big fan of inking just for the heck of it. So I'm not gonna do that. I do sometimes when I feel like it's needed, but not today. Okay, let's put that right there. Okay, you flip it up and you've got your cute little watering can. Now on this one, let's see what we want to do. Oh, I love these boots. Those are cute. Let's put the boots on this one. And these make wonderful journaling spots. Just flip it over, and I just love that. I love Abby. I think she is just the cutest. Okay, so we've got that one, and we've got the boot. Now, let's see. We've got the birdies. I think we're going to put a butterfly on this one. I have a couple of butterflies. So I think what we're going to do is, and see, this is the one I messed up on, so it really came out perfect. We're going to put a butterfly there, and we're going to put a butterfly right there. Okay, now let's see, we've got this, and I really like this. Let's put this here. This is a page, I believe, you know, I've got them all cut out and mixed up because I'm cutting and doing all kind of things. I believe this is from Angela's kit, I think. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this right here. And I'm going to put this beautiful bird right here. Yeah, I didn't want that to show, so that's good. Okay. Now, let's work over here a little bit. I think I'm going to put this right here. And I had originally planned to use some of Angela's some of her flowers that she has in her kit. And her, you can buy them separately or you can buy them in her everything kit. But as you know, I've been reorganizing my craft room, and as you might guess, that's one of the things that I have not put my fingers on yet. So, okay, now I'm going to run just a little piece of glue on this, and this is just some crochet that I have had forever and a day. I've got a big box of it. I think I actually bought it on wait a minute and I'll tell you. On that, what is that site where you go, it's off of Etsy, off of Facebook, and they put things up. I can't think of the name of it. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to put that there. Then, and Angela also has beautiful trims and laces and ribbons. You need to go check her out if you haven't yet. I'm sure you have. And she just has beautiful embellishment kits to match her. And I've been collecting them. I kind of been hoarding them, but I'm using them now. Okay, this I just took. I had a little flower picked up somewhere, and then this is a paper rose, and then this is some of her check gingham. And I think I am going to put it, I hate to put it there because I'm going to mess up my thumb hole. Let's see, where do I want to put this? I think I'll put it right there. Yeah, okay. So let's put a dot of glue back here. And I'm going to tell y'all something else that I have discovered. It's really strange. I guess I have quit putting my Fabri-Tac in the Jelly Bell containers. I find that this eats through that soft plastic, and my glue also gets hard and gummy. If I keep it in here, it flows until all the way down. So I don't know exactly what the details are, but it works so much better if you keep it in the container that it came in. Okay, this is coming along nicely. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, now to finish it up, I want to, let me pick that up so you can see. I think that turned out so pretty. Okay, now to finish it up, I have made some tags to go over here. And I don't know that I'm going to put all 4 of them in, but let's see, we don't want to use that one because there's already an image of her. So maybe we will do this one. And that one. How pretty is that? Okay. I hope you like my project. I enjoyed making it. It's simple. But I thought maybe I wanted to share my waterfall with you. And now this, of course, this, you know, when we put it, unless I use this for the centerfold of a signature, this is not going to be together. And since I'm having 3 signatures, I probably will let this be one of my signatures. No. So I think this is going to be the center of one of my signatures, because I think this is just so sweet. So I really like this one too. I don't know. I guess that's getting too many in there. You know what I could do? I could cut this one off and it could kind of come down a little bit. I don't have my cutter right now. I guess I could take and let's do this. I think I'm not in frame. Let me move this over. We're going to cut this down just a little bit. I think it'll be pretty to have this in layers. So let's do that. I'm not going to cut off too much to start with. Let's try this. I have to do this because I can't cut a straight line to save my soul. Okay, let's see how this is going to look and see if it's right. Oh yeah, I like that because it cascades down the ribbons. Okay, so I hope everyone likes my project, and I am going to be working on everyone else. Oh, that sure is bulky right there. Let me see. You know, that's pretty, but I don't know about that. I hadn't tried to close it with it like that. Okay, you know what? Before that gets too dry, I'm going to take that off. That is just too, it was pretty, but it is just too bulky. So, I had, you know what, I've got this. I think those are real sweet. These are gathered, let me see how that does. Oh, nope, I think I am going, let me see if I have any in here. I'm going to put a button there. That was beautiful, but let me dig around in here. That was just too, that was just too much. That didn't look bad. I really liked the flower, but, okay, let's see how that does. Okay, that is a lot better. I think I'm going to put this little button here. It's a little yellow flower, and I have put some black ribbon on it, and I am going to put that there. That was just too much. Oops. Okay. Let's get this on here. I hope everybody has enjoyed this collaboration as much as I have. There's a lot of the projects that I have not gotten to make yet, but I'm going to, and of course I'll change them up some, and you can work them with me. Now I also am thinking about running a little piece of yellow satin ribbon and coming across and tying that. Which, let me go get a piece of ribbon. I will be right back. I know right where it is, maybe. Let me see here. me see how this looks. If I glue that right there and then come and tie that. Let me see here. I'm just experimenting here. I'm going to try it, and if I don't like it, I can always come back and put something else right along here to cover up the glue line. I'm one for ribbons and laces and all kind of pretty things. So let's just put that right here. I don't think it'll add much bulk to it, because as I continue, I will be having pages that don't lay flat, but okay, now. Okay, let's let that dry just a minute. And while we're letting that dry, let me show you a little bit of my cover. This check gingham was a curtain that I got at a charity shop, and this these laces down here came from Kelly Snow in her shop, Bygone Days Variety. And this is from one of the kits. And then this is kind of one of my signature things. I like to make a tag. When I put my covers on, I put them down on 3 sides like so. And then I like to make a tag and put a beautiful bow. This is pretty on the back too. I like to put a real pretty bow, and then I slide it in, and that bow comes over the top. So yeah, and this is Sorry Silk Ribbon, and this is from Sheila at Boho Daydreams. Okay, and then this is the inside. I've kind of worked on it a little bit. Okay, now let's see how this is doing, which is doing fine. And if we like this, we're going to leave it, and if we don't, we'll take it off. I'm not very good at tying bows. I'm left-handed and kind of impedes me a little bit. Well, I don't really know that it did much good. Let's see how that does. I think a softer piece of ribbon would be better. And I also don't know if it's doing much good. Let me try one more time here. Oops. Okie dokie smoky. Okay, one more time. Like I say, I'm not good at cutting straight lines, and I'm not good at doing bows. You know, I like this, but I think this is too heavy. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, anyway, this is my project, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I will be back to work on many, many more. If you haven't subscribed to my page, I would love for you to do so. And hit the subscription button and the bell. And then you will know when I'm online, and you can come along and join with me. So next we'll work on this. And we'll work on this. I'm going to leave this. This is going to be a writing page. And I'll put something right here. Not sure what. We could do that. And use that as a tuck spot. lots of fun things. And then you open it up, and let me cut that off. It's got a little bit of a knot. There we go. And that will take care of that. And then we've got our 3 tags. Okay. I want to thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.